In this video, you will see how to fix table borders disappear in Word document. As you can see, I have these borders disappear from the table and we will fix it quickly. First, you need to click inside the table. Then click on this small box to select the table. Right click on the table and here you will see the option of table properties. From here we can fix the table borders. Click on this option. Make sure you have clicked on the tables tab. Go to the borders and shading, and under the borders tab here we need to select the option, the first one, solid border. And as you can see right now we have here custom. That's the reason some lines are not appearing or the borders are not appearing. To make them all borders, you need to select this option all. You can see in the preview that all inside borders and outside borders will be applied to the table. Make sure you have selected the color black or any other color you like. And this is the thickness of the border. You can select the thickness. And next to apply to, select the option table. Then click on OK and then click on OK. In case if this doesn't work for you, you can select the table. Then here you will see the option of table borders. You just have to select the option all borders. If this also doesn't work for you, you can again select the table, go to the table layout tab, go to the table design tab. Here you will see the option of border styles. Select any border, select the border thickness and the border type. Here select the border color and under the borders tab, select the option all borders. So these are multiple ways to fix table borders disappeared in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos more about tables in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.